Hey everybody. Okay, sorry about that. Here's the video. I'm gonna upload it. Yeah, I've never been live before and tried to share my screen. So I guess I needed a different software to be able to stream live and share my screen. So I will get that, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the drawing for the Apex Trader Funding free evaluation account. Um, like I said, this is, we crossed 2,000 members in the Apex, my group on Facebook, the Apex Trader Funding non-official group, and it's been growing like crazy. So I wanted to try and do something for everybody for being a part of it, and I'm really thankful. I appreciate it, everybody in there and everybody that contributes. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to go ahead and do the drawing here. Okay, I've got all the names in here. It's just a little little drawing generator here. It's going to be a name picker. So I'm going to go ahead and do the drawing. This is for any size evaluation. You will get an email with a coupon code to go ahead and sign up for that. And all right, here we go. Good luck to everybody. All right, looks like our winner is Joanne Laliana, and congratulations, you are the winner. So I will get you that coupon code emailed out to you. Congratulations. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you do well. Get that thing funded. All right, so now the other announcement. The other announcement is because I know I mentioned last week that we crossed that 2,000 members. I wanted to do something special. Try to, see if I can do something for everybody that's been part of the group, everybody that's, engaged into anything that I've been doing on social media. So I really appreciate it. So that drawing, that giveaway was one thing, but I was able to work something else out to where I will be doing a flash sale, Apex Trader Funding flash sale. Okay, it's going to be 75% off all evaluations. It's going to be for Monday and Tuesday, August 8th and 9th. All day long, flash sale, 2 days only. 75% off all evaluations for the first month, and then it will go to 50% off all recurring months. So I know a lot of people's been asking for that 80% discount again. I don't know when Apex can do it again, but as a celebration for 2,000 members, we're able to do this. Code WIN75 right here, WIN 75. So that will be active at midnight tonight. Go ahead and load up, get all your accounts. Monday and Tuesday only. Nowhere else is offering this discount. WIN75. This is the only place you can get it. All right. So again, congratulations to, is it Joan? Joan, congratulations to Joan. Get that thing funded. And thank you everybody for being a part of the group. And I will talk to you all this week. Have a good rest of your weekend.